Hey everyone, if you are a vegetarian, you must have heard about this question a million times. Where do you get your protein? Well, today I am going to show you that getting enough protein as a vegetarian is actually super simple. No complicated meal plans, no fancy recipes, just straightforward practical advice backed by real science. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how much protein you need and the easiest ways to get it. So, let's jump right into it. Hi, I'm Aditi. I'm certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal, well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. First, let's clear up the confusion about how much protein do you actually need. For most of the people, the answer to this question is very simple. You need 0.8 gram of protein for every kilogram of your weight. For example, if your body weight is 60 kg, then you need about 48 grams of protein per day. And if your weight is 40 kg, then you need 32 grams of protein every single day. Simple, right? Now, if you work out regularly or you are trying to build muscle, then you should aim for a bit higher. Like you should go for 1.2 to 1.6 gram of protein per kilogram of your body weight. But for most of the people who just do regular daily activities, that basic number is just perfect for them. But here is the thing, that much protein is actually not that much. And I am going to show you how easy it is to reach that protein requirement. So let's get into it. Alright, let's talk about the foods that can make your life easy. And I am going to keep this list short, but trust me, these are the absolute best options for you. So, the first food that you should add is legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and beans. Now, believe it or not, legumes are your protein champions. It's because just 1 cup of cooked lentils can give you 18 grams of protein, and 1 cup of chickpeas or beans can give you 15 grams of protein. And the best thing about these legumes is they are cheap and you can add them to literally anything. Simple yet so powerful, isn't it? Next food is soy products like tofu and tempeh. Now, don't worry about the soy myths because science shows that they are perfectly safe and healthy for us. So, half cup of tofu can give us 20 grams of protein and 3 ounces of tempeh can give us 16 grams of protein. Plus, soy is a source of complete protein as it contains all amino acids that we need. Just perfect. The third food that you should add is dairy products like Greek yogurt and cottage cheese or paneer. Now, if you can easily eat dairy products without any health concerns, then they are super convenient for you. It's because just 1 cup of Greek yogurt can give you 15 to 20 grams of protein, and half cup of cottage cheese or paneer can give you 14 grams of protein. So, if you can add these dairy products into your daily habit, then They can easily help you in achieving your daily protein requirement. Next up is nuts and seeds. And trust me, they are perfect for snacking. And the reason behind is just quarter cup of almonds can give you 7 to 8 grams of protein. And 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds can give you 10 grams of protein. And with that, you can also have pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, cashews, and pistachios as well. So, nuts and seeds can be an easy fix for you if you want to get enough protein. The last food that you can and I believe you should add is quinoa. It's because 1 cup of cooked quinoa can give you 8 grams of protein. So, you can use it instead of rice and in result, you will get double the protein. That's it. Just focus on these 5 categories and you're golden. Now, let me give you 2 super simple strategies that can help you in getting enough protein. So, the first strategy is add protein to what you already eat. Now, this is the easiest change that you can make today itself. And don't overthink about it. Just upgrade yourself. So, toss in a can of white beans. You can sprinkle some seeds and chickpeas. You can also add some soy products and try to use quinoa instead of rice. Simple, isn't it? Strategy number 2 is focusing on that magic number, which is 20. Now, what I mean with this is try to get about 20 grams of protein at each of your main meals because research shows that this is the sweet spot for your body to use that protein more efficiently. And trust me, hitting that 20 grams of protein is actually easier than you think. You can have a cup of cooked lentils with half cup of tempeh or tofu and a big bowl of Greek yogurt with some nuts. If you get 20 grams of protein at each of your 3 meals, then that's 60 grams of protein right there. And you can add some snacks in between your main meals and you have hit your target. Before we finish, let me help you in avoiding 2 common mistakes that I see all the time. So, the first mistake is relying only on one protein source. For example, if you are only eating soy products every single day, then probably you will get bored. But the main point is you will miss out on different types of nutrients. So, just try to mix it up a bit. Rotate between your beans, soy products, dairy products, nuts, and seeds. Because, as we all know, variety is the key. Now, mistake number 2 that you should avoid is not eating enough food overall. And this is big. If you are not eating enough calories in general, then your body will start burning protein to get energy instead of using it to maintain your muscle. So, make sure that you are eating enough throughout the whole day, not just protein, but carbs and healthy fats as well. And that's it. See how simple it is. To recap, Know your target number. Focus on 5 main protein sources, that is legumes, soy, dairy products, nuts and seeds and quinoa. Use two strategies, that is upgrade what you already eat and aim for 20 grams of protein in each of your main meals. That's all you should actually know. No complicated formulas, no expensive supplements, no weird foods. Just simple, real, practical advice. Thousands of vegetarian athletes, bodybuilders, and even regular people are thriving on plant based protein foods. So, you can absolutely do it too. Just believe in the process and yourself as well. Do let me know in the comment section, out of those foods that I have mentioned, which of them are you going to add into your main meals today itself. And if you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also get to know how much protein do they actually need and how easily they can achieve it. If you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out and remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.